Guys, it's Maymay, and I'm so excited. It is reveal time again, and it is time to reveal our Scripture Stamp of the Month Club set. This is a mystery club set that you can join. It's $11.99 a month. It's free shipping for this set to your door. You don't pay anything but $11.99. And you get 15% off your purchases at our store, or at least most purchases. There are some items we can't put on sale, but it's very few. We always let you know ahead of time. If you want more information about being part of our stamp club, I'm going to link it below. Okay, this is the Scripture Club. So this means this is the club we send out the second part of the month. So this one goes out on the 21st, which is today, and it is already in the mail to you, which also means if you would like to purchase this and you're not in the club, it is available to you on the website. Once this video goes live, you'll be able to go and get the leftovers. And what I mean by that is we order a bunch in for all our club members, and anything over we put in the store, and then we will reorder it. So even if it goes out of stock, it will come back. I'm so excited about this one. I have needed this in my collection so long, and I know if I need it, you guys need it, because we are card makers and we send them out to people. So I know you need this set, and here you go. Ready? It is called May God Bless You. Isn't this cute? I'm going to zoom you guys in real quick. I always think I have it zoomed in enough, and then I don't. Okay, this says, May God bless you, and then you have all of these ways to use it. The first one, I need a little pointer so you can see it without my finger being in the way. The first one says, on your birthday, this Christmas season, for your kindness, on this special day, each and every day, and your family, so may God bless you and your family, on your journey, today and always, as you recover, all year through, on your anniversary, in your time of loss, in your time of need, with peace and happiness, and keep you. Now, we decided to also give you the word and, because if you wanted to do may God bless you on your birthday and all year through, you could. Or may God bless you as you recover and all year through. So if you wanted to use multiple sayings, depending on the card you were sending it for or the reason, then you could. How awesome is this set? Seriously, this is one you're going to use every time you make a card. Even if this is the inside sentiment, think about that. If you're sending a birthday card or what have you, and you're making the front to be very birthday themed, then on the inside, may God bless you on your birthday is your inside sentiment. But today I'm going to show you how I used it as outside sentiment, and I love it. So for my first card, I used the Pink and Main set, which I think is adorable, called On the Go. We had these to sell before they were retiring, so we sold a lot of these. We may still have some of the Pink and Main stuff in stock. It is perfect to go with these little sentiments. You can use it for anything. But this one says, may God bless you on your journey, and I did the little car and colored it, and I just love how this turned out. This stamp set that you're getting in your club is going to go with all your other stamp sets, and that's what I'm going to show you here today. So may God bless you on your journey. That's one of our card samples. Then, and I love this one, this is using the tulip set. You guys have loved the layered tulips. Here I have the tulips at the bottom, and it says, may God bless you in your time of need. I did that one there, and I popped in your time of need up so you could really see that on the card, so you can see the shadow there around it. I love how this one turned out. Then we have one just for fun. I think this is adorable. Look at this one. May God bless you with peace and happiness. And I did this with the May God bless you by using my Misty and inking the stamp in a line like this. I'm going to insert some footage to show you how I did that so you can see exactly how that works. But I think it's really cool. And you could totally do this going vertical like I did, but you could also take your colors horizontal and do it that way as well. And I think it looks so cool in the rainbow looking color. Let me zoom you up. Let me bring it up to you so you can see. Look how cool that looks. And I just thought peace and happiness was too funny. And also, these are 1-inch yellow circle punches. I just used cardstock and did a circle punch. And then I used my stamp set again from Pink and Main, not this one. Let me find the one I actually used. So from Pink and Main, these faces, you can see the three I've been playing with. They're dirty. I used the closed eye one, and I used this one. I tried to use this one, but it didn't work on my punch as well, and I only had so much space to put them in. But I love it. So that's just a circle punch with the little stamps on them. And I'm pretty sure there's some of those Pink and Mains left in store, so check those out. But look how cute that card is. And last, oh, and I also covered this with some of the, let me pull it over here, some of the crystal glaze that's like this. That's why those are clear and kind of, they look like flare buttons. You guys know what flare buttons are? That's kind of what those look like. And I had to, guys. I had to do a Christmas card. This card says, "May God bless you this Christmas season." And I just love this card. You knew I had to do Christmas. It's been too long, and I have put it off and put it off, but I had to do it. So look how gorgeous. Where on earth would you not be able to use this card, this stamp set? If you're a person like me who sends out cards all the time, this one's going to fit every bill you have. I'm so excited about it. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. If you're in the club, it's on its way to you right now. If you're not in the club, but you'd like to be and you don't want to miss out on the next one, go ahead and click the Show More button in the description box, and you can click right over to all the information about the club. Now, when I say miss out, here's what I mean. You are assured you get them. Sometimes when we bring out a new stamp set, they sell out before everybody can get to them. This, you know you're getting the club set, and then if you would like more, you get a discount on future purchases. Hey, thanks so much for watching. I pray that God does bless you every single day, and I cannot wait to see what you guys do with these. Please make cards and post them over on our Facebook group called Maymay Made It and So Did I, or share them with us, share your creations with us over on our website at maymaymadeit.com in the customer gallery. We love to see what you're making. We love the inspiration that you give to us. We will have a contest coming up for this set, but we have a contest running right now, so we're going to let that contest in, and then we'll come back and do one for this set so that we don't have so many running at one time. So be on the lookout. When you get this set, be on the lookout for another contest for it. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.